In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code in Canva for free. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com and sign up for a free account. I'm using the free personal account, and everything I show to date works without a paid subscription. Next, click the Apps tab on the left panel. Search for QR code in the search bar. Select the first QR code generator. Click Use in a new design. Create a custom design with dimensions 1920 by 1920 pixels. This ensures your QR code is high quality. Paste the URL you want to link to. For this example, I'll use my YouTube channel URL. Copy and paste your desired link into the field. Customize color. Click Generate Code. Your QR code will appear on the canvas. Resize it to fill the design space for maximum clarity. To download, click Share in the top right corner. Choose Download and select PNG as the file type. Your QR code is now ready to use. Add it to social media posts, flyers, or any design. No extra cost. If this helped, give this video a like and subscribe for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching.